Welcome to our instructional video on solving equations. In this video, we will be solving the equation 3x plus 8 equals 20. By following a few simple steps, we will find the value of x that satisfies this equation. Let's get started. To solve for the variable in the equation 3 times x plus 8 equals 20, we begin by isolating the term that contains the variable. Start with the original equation. 3 times x plus 8 equals 20. The first step is to eliminate the constant term on the left side of the equation, which is the plus 8. To do this, we perform the opposite operation of addition, which is subtraction. Subtract 8 from both sides of the equation. This maintains the balance of the equation, as whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other side. So subtracting 8 from the left side, we have 3 times x plus 8 minus 8, which simplifies to 3 times x, since 8 minus 8 equals 0. On the right side, we subtract 8 from 20, which gives us 20 minus 8, or 12. Now the equation is simplified to 3 times x equals 12. By subtracting 8 from both sides, we have removed the constant term from the left side, leaving us with a simpler equation to solve. The expression has been altered from 3 times x plus 8 equals 20 to 3 times x equals 12. This simplification helps us focus on solving for the variable x. In step 2, we continue to isolate the variable x to solve the equation. Currently, we have 3 times x equals 12. To isolate x, we need to eliminate the coefficient of x, which is 3. Since the coefficient 3 is multiplied by x, we perform the opposite operation of multiplication, which is division. Divide both sides of the equation by 3. This maintains the balance of the equation, as whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other side. Dividing the left side, we have 3 times x divided by 3, which simplifies to x, since 3 divided by 3 equals 1, and 1 times x is just x. On the right side, we divide 12 by 3, which gives us 12 divided by 3, equaling 4. Now the equation is simplified to x equals 4. By dividing both sides by 3, we have isolated the variable x, leaving us with the solution. The expression has been altered from 3 times x equals 12 to x equals 4. This step concludes our problem solving, as the variable x has been successfully isolated and is equal to 4. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.